farther down you can get your hand. Breathe out first, like a lot, and then suck it in. And try and get as much of the balloon into your lungs as possible. Just like. Okay, go. You're supposed to like swallow.
I swallowed it?
Yeah.
Hey, lady.
I saw it come out of your freaking mouth.
Say the thing that Dr. Frank says from The Simpsons.
Dr. Frank? What's that?
The Myven Glaven.
The Glaven, my lady.
Oh my god.
Hey, I'm Dr. Nick. Give me all that helium, baby. Oh yeah, that's the stuff right there. Compton's in the house.
Oh.
No, it's going. Anyone seen my dad? Oh, fuck.
That was good.
That was funny.